Hi there, students. Spasm, a countable noun. Okay, let's see. A spasm is something that you get in a muscle when it suddenly tightens and you can't stop it. Yeah? When you suddenly got to straighten your leg, you get this spasm in your leg. Okay, and then we've got an adjective, spasmodic, which also can refer to this, a spasmodic muscle contraction. However, we use this word spasm to talk about a sudden burst of activity or a sudden burst of energy. Yeah, so a spasm of coughing. Yeah, or I felt a spasm of guilt about this. The crowd were in spasms of laughter. Okay, and that's quite a good way to use it. And then we have spasmodic. Okay, so it can be something related to a muscle spasm, but we more normally use this for something that happens for a short period, but in a very irregular way. Yeah. It happened intermittently from time to time. So there were spasmodic thunderstorms throughout the month from time to time. Okay, so and then spasmodic, something given to outbursts of energy. Okay, so spasmodically he was full of energy and running around. Okay, so if something's spasmodic, it has no order. It's a little bit chaotic. Yeah, it occurs in sharp bursts. It's rather patchy. It's discontinuous. Okay, and then a spasm. A muscle spasm is really painful. I'm sure you all had that. And then I guess a spasm of embarrassment came over me. Okay, and then we can also have this as a verb, to spasm. My leg spasmed. I'm trying to, yeah. He spasmed into action. I suppose so. I guess you could use it like that. Okay, so the tightening of your muscle, and if you don't have enough magnesium, your muscles will go into a spasm. Yeah, a spasm of pain. Yeah, a spasm of laughter. Okay, and then something spasmodic. It happens for short periods, but at irregular intervals. So this job is very spasmodic. There's nothing to do for hours, and then suddenly you are rushed off your feet, and then that stops again, and then there's nothing to do, and then suddenly there is another spasm of activity. Okay, so taking place in sudden brief spells, in sudden brief periods. Okay, so a spasm, spasmodic. Let's see, formality. A spasm, a muscle spasm. I think I'm going to give it 5 in formality. Use it anywhere. I think maybe a spasm of activity, I might say it's a little bit literary and give it a 6. And I think spasmodic as well. I think I'm probably going to give a 6 in formality. I think I might use spasm informally, but I'm not sure I'd use spasmodic. And then as to origin, okay, this comes from Latin. Spasmus, which actually comes from ancient Greek spasmos, a spasm or a convulsion, from speo, to draw out, to pull out. I guess it's related to you suddenly having a leg spasm and having this desperate need to straighten your leg. Yeah, so he studied in spasms really hard for a while, and then he did nothing for ages. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Spasm, spasmodic, and spasmodically.